Before the world begins to wake, a silent mirror starts to shine. At Het Smalbroek the morning waits, wrapped inside the golden light. The clouds are painting gentle skies, soft reflections drift below. Every ripple tells a story only early mornings know. The air is calm, the wind is sleeping, nature breathes without a sound. Every heartbeat feels much slower, peace is everywhere around. Over Het Smalbroek, dreams awaken, floating on a sea of glass. Part of Maasplassen, where silent moments always last. The rising sun with tender colors lights the water from above. Every flight across the morning feels like nature's endless love. A graceful heron lifts its wings, leaving circles in the air. Every feather catches sunlight, every movement calm and rare. The quiet whispers through the reeds, morning songs begin to rise. Hidden treasures wait in silence under glowing summer skies. No rush, no noise, no hurried footsteps, only nature leading me. Every sunrise tells a new story, every moment wild and free. Over Het Smalbroek, light is dancing across reflections soft and bright. Part of Maasplassen, holding on to morning light. I'll remember every sunrise, every peaceful scene I knew. Nature writes the perfect story every morning, born anew. Hidden in the morning silence, life begins before first light. Along the peaceful banks of Het Smalbroek, everything just feels so right. Two white swans drift close together, like they own the quiet dawn, leaving gentle silver trails behind them, long before the night has gone. Somewhere near the silent shoreline, another secret comes alive. Nature keeps its precious moments for the ones who rise in time. A beaver swims through crystal waters without a single word to say. Every ripple tells a story, welcoming another day. Over Het Smalbroek, morning whispers, soft reflections never end. Part of Maasplassen, where earth and sky Clouds are drifting like soft paintings, touched with colors from the sun. Golden light across the water welcomes everyone. Every flight above the reeds now, every hidden path below, shows that beauty lives in silence, more than words could ever show. Morning keeps its greatest treasures for the patient heart to find. Every second feels eternal, leaving every day behind. At Het Smalbroek, life keeps flowing, gentle as the morning breeze. Part of DJI Maasplassen, a place that brings the soul to peace. When the sun rises